What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Davis Sisters, and today we're gonna be my sister's recording too. And today we're gonna be doing the no sound challenge. So I'm gonna take my volume down. It's gonna be all the way off.
My volume's all the way down.
So that means I can't hear the bees.
Yeah, we can't hear the bees. So, and I'm playing Play the Facility with my sister. Because we just watched I Am Santa with Leah playing it. And then
I just wanted to play it.
So. I messed up.
Where did you go, Santa?
You messed up?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I'm done.
I didn't
I'm
even
done.
hear
I'm
you.
done.
Oh, I didn't even see. I wasn't paying attention. I was petting Sony.
You sure?
Okay, I'm just gonna get my leg up and separate
coming.
my leg. You're coming?
Yeah.
I'm almost done with my computer though.
Santa, computer.
I,
How am I missing? It didn't even show it. Hi, sister.
yeah, let's go.
Okay, now we're done. Ah. We haven't played Flee the Facility in a while, and we haven't even recorded of it, so we shut the camera.
So we're gonna go to the big room.
Is this the big room? Oh no, it's not.
Computer.
Is the computer? Where?
Where I just
Oh,
was.
over there.
Doesn't look good for me. Oh my God.
We're hacking.
If our teammates get captured, we have to save them. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. I was looking in my. I'm very broke. And I'm not.
Where's the bee?
I don't know. Oh no!
Come on.
No, we have to save him. No. Where is he? Oh,
It's
sure.
over here. Come on.
We have to save
Sister,
him.
you distract and I'll save him.
Okay, I'll try to distract him without getting caught. Is he in there? Where is he? He's over there. I'll save you, dude. Don't worry.
He got hit.
No.
It's okay. I'm hiding.
I'm scared. She's just camping.
Did she hit you?
No.
Where are you?
Come on, please.
I'm gonna hack this computer.
Where are you? He got captured again.
It's okay. I got him.
I got him too.
Hack the computer.
Don't get me. No. Dolphin is. He's a dolphin. He's a dolphin. No, she got me. Help. Sister. Help. Oh, she got me. No. Guys, no. Get go, dude. Don't get caught, Gianna.
Okay, I see you.
Thank you. She got me again. Gianna, don't let her get you. Please. No. Don't you dare. I won't let you. Oh my gosh. Thank you. No, she keeps on getting me. She keeps on getting me. Really? Did she get you?
No.
Oh, she hit me again. No.
Come get him.
She's literally so annoying.
No.
Sister.
It's okay. She can't get me.
Yes, she can.
No, she can't.
I'm dying.
She can't get me. I'm hiding.
She's gonna.
No.
Sister, no. Save me.
Get go, dude.
Save
He's
me.
down.
Oh, a girl got me. She saved me.
No, help me.
Helping you. Hey, yo, you get me. Scared.
Get out of here. Let's go. Where's the closest exit? Is it over here or run?
Help me.
You're saved.
I really hope we don't run into
Oh no, Gecko do. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
She left. Oh my gosh.
Santa right here.
Oh my gosh.
My feet is sweating.
Ew.
3, 2, 1. Santa, let's go.
I'm gonna I'm gonna unlock, I'm gonna buy, I got a blue and orange one. Now I'm broke. I guess. So, yeah.
Okay, let's do this one.
Oh, I want to do facility. I'm doing
Okay, guys,
this.
this is gonna be the last round. Because sometimes it doesn't save. To my
No,
phone.
I'm not doing it.
No, this is gonna be the last round on my recording.
It's kind of hard to play without sound because I can't hear the beast when he's coming.
No.
So I didn't even know he
I turned my volume down too, so.
I turned my volume down. That is not. I'm
Okay, I'm so excited. Please not beast, please.
I have 26%.
26.
26. So basically, I don't think we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, remember the secret base that was in there?
Survivor!
Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, I am in this room.
Guys, we're not teamers. So if we ever are beasts, we don't team up because teaming is not cool.
Okay, so I'm trying.
I'm hacking a computer. I hope the beast won't leave. It's Bia, 9, and Jack.
Oh gosh, I don't know about all that. That seems like, where's that girl?
Ooh, okay, thank God. I almost messed up. I was like getting
I'm
too
trying to find a
distracted.
computer. I keep wanting to
Where did the other
turn up my volume, but I can't. So.
Oh, I found her. Hello.
Where's the big room?
You can't find the big room?
We
Oh my
ran
gosh.
into each other. It was like, wait.
No! Save her! We have to save her!
Got her.
You got her?
And now I'm here.
You sure?
Yes!
I'm running there, guys. Don't.
She got her again.
What? You distract her. I'll go. I'll
After
save
she
her.
got me, she got me.
I'll save her. Don't worry. There you go. Run, run, run.
Help me.
I'll save you. Hold on.
Or you kidnapped us all, put us in here, and now we're fighting.
I'm keep moving so she can't get me.
You know, what is the story here?
She's opening the door. She's opening the door. I'm in.
She
I'm
can't get me because I keep moving.
nice. Just,
Sucker. She can't get
are
me.
you running?
Yes, I'm running. Bye bye.
Oh.
Shut the door in her face.
I'll give you this bacon head.
Oh,
He's
shoot,
been standing in the office here.
Peace out.
So, you have fun with him all you want. Okay,
No.
in the office.
Hi, girl.
The back corner. I don't know what he's
How did you not
You know, and this
hit me?
gives me a free pass.
How did you not hit me, guys?
You'll find it. He's
No. No. Psych. No. So, Starlight. Starlight. She didn't hit anyone. No, she hit me. She hit me.
It's okay.
Sucker. No. No. Sister, you have to.
Go.
Oh. I'm trolling her. Do the dolphin dance. Do the dolphin dance. Just do the dolphin dance.
I'm near an exit.
We're unstuck.
Hack the computer.
Inside the room?
Hack it. Yeah.
It was. Oh, okay. I'll hack the computer, I guess.
right now. Wow, I'm so evil giving away my genius.
We have to. What do you mean?
She's right there. Do it. Alright, I left the room. They were all in. Okay? You are finally close. Okay, well tell me. Beast. Oh, there you are.
You kicked me.
By now? Okay.
She's coming after me.
Did she get you?
No.
No?
Wait, no, they weren't. On this one. Okay.
I'm hiding.
How do we get out?
Tell me. What? You got Fender?
I'm still hacking the same computer.
No, that's not fair.
Hi.
Ultimatum. I'm risking my life to help you find them, and now I don't know.
Don't mess up.
Okay.
Wait, ow, you kicked my ankle.
Sorry, Sunny.
Is she in there? She's here?
What are you doing? Come on.
Are you hiding?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm being a traitor. I'm
Where is she?
scared. I don't know where they are. Mr. Bacon.
Get out of there! She saw you!
I'm in the same room I was just in a few seconds ago. You lost your I did.
Are you in the same as me?
Now where's the bacon head? I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, is that you? Oh, hello.
She keeps on walking by me.
I will kill. I will kill.
Peace out.
She hit me. She hit me. Gianna,
It's okay.
Gianna. She hit me. She hit me.
I'm here. I can see.
I'm on the wall.
Don't you
Starlight's not gonna save me. Well, she probably will. She's just camping. How rude.
I got you.
That's not. Save me, sister. Where is Starlight? Is she hacking computers? Stir, you were so close. Oh my gosh, why are you camping?
No!
Oh my god.
Your health is not even going down.
No, it is. Starlight.
I'm in here. I'm stuck. She didn't notice. Mommy, I'm making a video.
Oh my god.
She didn't notice that I'm stuck.
Wait, I saw Starlight. She was walking. She was trying to save us, but then the beast tried to hit her. Thank you, Starlight. Thank you.
I'm up. Hack the computer.
I'm hacking the computer.
We're hacking.
Starlight is trying to distract.
Got him.
No. No.
Gotcha. No.
She hit you?
Yeah. Help me.
What happened?
Help me.
I finished the hacking the computer.
Help me.
No. Starlight.
Get out of here.
I'm trying.
Go.
Are you?
Is Heidi here? Where is she?
Nice job. She messed up.
She's not there.
I'm
She's
just
still in
gonna
the same
friend her.
room.
She's still in the same room?
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
She's looking to see if we're still in there.
Oh my gosh.
I'm scared.
Okay.
You caught her.
What is she doing?
Oh, she ran down. She thought we're.
You said help again. No.
She's there.
She's dying.
Oh no, she's. Oh, there's no computer in there. Let's go to the big room.
Oh, yeah. And she goes.
Oh, she's right there. She's right there. Do the love in it. No,
Go upstairs.
No, help! Help! She's dragging me upstairs. Why does she keep on? I'm on the ceiling.
No! Starlight!
She's our only hope. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna.
Starlight,
die.
get her!
I'm gonna die.
Go, good job, Starlight.
Thank you.
Help me!
Don't.
No, Atha, you're our only hope. Stay away.
I'm trying.
Bye. No!
I'm sorry. No, Starlight, please no. Save her.
Got her.
Oh my god. Starlight's just
Computer.
hacking the computer.
She got Starlight.
No! She got
She got Starlight. She's dragging her.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So annoying.
It's not captured anymore. No, she hit me.
Probably gonna leave.
She hit me. I'm downstairs.
What?
She hit me.
She hit you?
I'm down the stairs.
Is she dragging you up?
No.
Is she taking you to a different place?
No. I'm just on the floor.
Go for it. She's coming for me. She's coming for me. No! I'm on the floor. Stop knocking me out.
I'm on the floor too.
How big is that hammer?
Okay.
I wonder if I can slash E dance as I'm laying down. Slash E. No! No! No!
Got her.
No, you got. Save her.
No. We both all got hit.
You all got hit?
Yes, I got hit. She got hit. Atha, please telling me you're getting up. She's taking me to a different spot. Go, Atha, go.
I'm saving her.
Oh my gosh.
I'm saving her. Don't
What the
worry.
heck? Where am I? My screen was
Just hack the
holding
computer.
stuff.
Just hack the
Help
computer.
me!
Just hack the computer.
Help me!
Ooh, I'm gonna save
Help
my sister.
me!
I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna save you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
He doesn't know.
She's probably gonna leave. She's probably gonna leave. Did she just?
She never.
See ya, sucker.
See ya, sucker!
Oh my gosh.
Hey, girl!
Sorry guys, that accidentally stopped. I got a phone call. I got, an iPad call or whatever. Come on, guys. We have to hack more computers. We only have 5 minutes or 4 minutes.
This is probably where the last computer is.
Uh-uh.
Yes.
I'm gonna wait that up.
It's here. Where's Starlight?
Yay! I really hope she won't leave. I really hope she won't leave. She's probably so
Don't mess
annoyed.
up.
Oh, I didn't hear her. I didn't even hear her. I would have heard her. No.
Hack the computer!
No, I have to save her. No, she's taking her out. She's taking her to a different dimension. Oh, she's in the. I'm hiding. She doesn't know I'm here. You distract, okay? You distract, and I will save. Oh, she's
Go!
She escaped.
Oh my god, Leah. Alright, let's find another computer. Gotta be careful. Gotta be so careful.
Go! Hack the computer!
Oh my gosh. I was in a room with her, and I was.
Come on, we can do this. Let's do this.
Oh my gosh. She's right there.
No, she got me! She got me! She got me!
Hold on, I'm hacking this computer.
No.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry that my storage ran out, but we escaped. Thankfully, that is going to be the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and post notifications so you won't miss out on other videos. Bye!